how to find your Twilio Account SID, authorization token, and phone number. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Twilio account SID, authorization token, and phone number. So to get started, go ahead and open Twilio into your preferred browser and then sign into your account. Now open an account inside your account, and then on your Twilio Console, scroll down, and then you'll be able to find your account ID and authorization token. So you can actually show your authorization token by clicking on the show button at the right side of the authorization token. Your account SID starts with AC, and then below that, you'll find your authorization token. So you can copy each of this by clicking on this copy button at the right side of each of this. Now to find your Twilio phone number, you need to head over into the phone numbers tab and then click on manage and then click on active numbers. Now, under the active numbers, you'll see a list of numbers you've purchased. So click on a number to view its capabilities such as SMS, voice, and more. Once you got your credentials, you're ready to send SMS, make calls, or build verification flows. And that is how you can basically find your Twilio account SID, authorization token, and phone number. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.